It's so pretty, so perfect. Every inch is worth it. A holiday dream come true, decorated just for me and you.
So yun na nga, happy birthday, love. Wish ko sa birthday mo ngayon na good health ka. Sana nasa maganda kang kalagayan ngayon, ngayong araw na ito, at sa mga susunod pang araw na dadaan. Lagi mo sana tandaan na mahal na kahit anong nangyari, kahit ilang away pa ang dumaan sa atin, okay lang sa atin, basta ingatan mo ang sarili mo dyan, lagi ka mag-pray, huwag mo pabayaan ang sarili mo, magtutuloy ka lagi kasi alam mo naman dyan pag-humidity sobrang init, minsan sobrang lamig, sana sa init, sana sa lamig, basta lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita palagi. Happy birthday.
Supla! Happy birthday! Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Sana magtagal pa yung pagkakaibigan natin. Ako mo sa New York. Basta, happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello, Paten Supla. Ayan, happy birthday. And wishing you good health and many more birthdays to come. Sorry, hindi ako masyadong nag-a-active ngayon sa Pinados kasi medyo busy lang din sa work. And medyo challenging ngayon yung itinerary namin. So, makikijam ako sa inyo soon. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Hello everyone, I'm Spyco from Happy Nados family. I would like to greet a happy birthday to Ate Supla. Happy birthday Ate Supla. And I wish you all the best in life and I pray na maging successful yung event natin as a celebration ng birthday mo, ate. And bago pa lang ako sa Happy Nados family, pero naging masaya yung pagpasok ko sa Happy Nados family dahil sa inyo, dahil sa kabaitan nyo. And I pray na maging matagal din ako dyan sa Happy Nados family. And yun na siguro. Happy birthday Ate Supla. Enjoy and God bless always.
Hello everyone, my name is Chris Cam from Happy Nados family, and I would like to greet my Ate Supla a very happy birthday to you, King. Medyo mahina yung boses ko kay kakauwi ko pa lang galing duty mo. Stress na ng madaling araw, pero yun, greet pa rin kita. Happy birthday. Thank you sa mga advices mo sa akin. Thank you for taking care of me, Ate Supla. Napakabait mo. Ikaw pinakabait na ate sa buong mundo. Okay, humaba pa yung buhay mo. Yung tipong lahat kami sa mundo wala na, ikaw na lang natira. Ha? Okay? Happy birthday sa iyo. Happy birthday. I love you. Mahal ka na.
Ala It's your time to shine, my bestie. Happy, happy birthday. Wishing you a beautiful life with good health and happiness forever. Sana mahanap mo na yung mga kasama mo habang buhay soon. And thank you sa love, trust, and sa support mo to me and to our fam ng Papinadas. And so grateful to have you as my friend, not only on SM, not only on this app, but also on the outside world, in real life. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. And I love you so much, and I'll always be here for you to support you no matter what happens. I'm always here. Love you so much. Ayoko umiyak. So yeah, happy, happy birthday. Love you so much. Love you.
What's up, Ate Supla? I just want to greet you the happy birthday. First of all, I would like to thank you for being a good ate, a very sweet and supportive ate, a caring and supladang ate. Yan. Ikaw yan! Thank you for always being there, especially sa mga competitions namin dito sa SM. Kahit sobrang busy ka, meron kang time to support. I hope you get everything you want today and always. May your day be filled with cake, laughter, and a little bit of craziness. Always remember that you are truly a hidden gem and you are an exceptional woman. I hope you spend the day with people that you love and doing the things that you love. So yeah, thank you. Happy birthday ulit, ate. Hope to see you soon. God bless and I love you so much.
Hello. Happy birthday, Sis Supla. You're one of my dearest friends in this family, and we're so blessed to have you. So, thank you for inviting me to your grand birthday celebration. Kaya, tingnan mo, ayos na ayos ako. Ready, going na. And so, stay pretty, sexy, and brave. Indeed, a true Batangganya. So, happy birthday. We love you. And we're celebrating with you today.
Naway bigyan ka ng mabuting kalusugan. Happy birthday sa'yo, hanap na yan. Para makapagtrabaho ng maayos at merong pang RC. SM Pamo, wish you all the best. Sana mabigyan ka ng forevermore.
Suplakaw Naki, happy birthday! Isang taon ka na naman tumanda. Sana maging masaya ka at bless ang buong araw mo ngayon. Alam mo, Naki, natutuwa kami sa'yo. Dahil kahit gaano ka pa ka-successful sa buhay, napanatili mo pa rin maging mahumble at hindi nakakalimot sa iyong pinanggalingan. Pati talaga punto mo, ayaw mong kalimutan din. Kusa lumalas pa sa bibig mo ang pagiging Batanggenya. Pero okay lang yan. Ang importante, maging masaya ka, lalo tayo dito sa Apinanos. Once again, happy birthday, Naki.
Happy birthday, Naki Suplakaw! From the bottom of our hearts, we want to express how fortunate we are to have you as part of our family. Your radiant charm, wit, and boundless generosity is truly amazing. I wish you many, many years of blessings, good health, and happiness. Happy birthday ulit, Naki! Love, love!
Hello, Twinnie! Happy birthday sa twin kong napakaganda, napakabait, at higit sa lahat, sobrang thankful ako dahil nakilala kita. Nagkaroon ako ng isa sa mga tunay na kaibigan dito sa SM. Kaya maraming salamat kasi dahil ka nandiyan para sa akin. Salamat din kasi basta lagi kang mag-iingat, alagaan mo lagi sarili mo, at huwag na tayong pa-stress, diba? Pa-beauty na lang palagi. Happy birthday! And may you have many more birthdays to come, and may the Lord give the desires of your heart. Love you so much! Mama! At lagi mo rin tandaan na, nandito lang ako para sa iyo, kaibigan mo. Love you!
Thank you.